You searched how to buy shares of NRDY Inc., an education technology company connecting students with tutors and learning resources. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker NRDY, and this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy NRDY, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Open the eToro search bar and type the ticker NRDY to find the listing. Select the matching NRDY Inc. result to open the stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to see recent movement. Double-check the name and the NRDY ticker to confirm it is the correct asset. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or executed at the next market session. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. For a direct link to eToro and more resources, see the description below.